Welcome to my channel. In today's guide, I will walk you through the steps to remove your Gmail account from another device. Please follow the instructions carefully to ensure a smooth process. If you're new to this channel, my name is Rachel and it's all about easy how-to-tech guides, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Start by launching the Gmail app on your device. Tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the app. Select the appropriate Google account that you wish to manage. You will be redirected to your Google account settings. Scroll to find and tap on the Security tab. Scroll down until you see the option labeled your devices. Tap on this option to view the list of devices currently logged into your Google account. Select the specific device you want to sign out from. Tap on the Sign Out button for that device. By following these steps, your Gmail or Google account will be successfully removed from the selected device. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and join us.